How to make photo collage in Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make photo collage in Facebook story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on create story option which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the story section, there at the top, you'll see the option labeled as collage. So there, simply tap on it. And now here, once you select that, then what you can do is just select the multiple photos that you want to add on the collage. And now here, once you're done with that, what you can do is just tap on next. And with that, you can customize the collage as you like. And once you're done editing it, what you can do is just tap on share. And that's it. That's how you can make photo collage in Facebook story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.